Did you know that some of the techniques that we use in algebra can cause extraneous solutions?
Yes, you told me that.
Can cause what?
Extreme pain. Yeah.
So for example, if you have a square
No more space.
and you know that the
Turn into a triangle.
area of the square is 9 centimeters squared.
Johnny.
Not a triangle.
So area, lock in. If you know area is 9 centimeters squared, what's my formula for area?
The side times side.
Side times side.
The square root.
So area is side times side is 9 centimeters squared.
That's such a perfect square, Mr. Shadle. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think that's perchance because his program allows him to make very nice squares.
So how do I solve? How do I solve for the side of a square?
Square root the area.
Square root both sides. Square root. Yeah.
Both sides.
Huh?
Don't you also have to have square root area on there?
We're not doing the area.
I know, but it says this
Yes,
equals
but
this
we're
equals
just not
this.
counting the area in this part.
Yeah, but wouldn't
But
but then you would still want to put it there so at the end
S equals
remember
3
it's not square
centimeters.
root.
I would not square root the area because only in the context of a square does it make sense to square root it. If I had a rectangle instead, I would do length times width, but I would not use square root. So I'm not going to square root the area, but I have a square expression here that I can square root.
No, I'm picked.
So what is the square root of 9 centimeters squared?
16.
3 plus or minus 3 centimeters.
Oh, plus or minus 3 centimeters.
A side cannot be negative because then it wouldn't be there.
So out of my two answers, one of these is an extraneous solution.
Oh my gosh!
Negative
It's the
centimeters.
negative 3 centimeters.
This is extraneous. Why?
Because negative 3 centimeters, like you can't
Huh?
have, like you can't have negative centimeters.
You can't have a negative length.
Negative length.
Length and distance
Unless
cannot
it's
be
on
negative.
Mylise and Anna, we're having class right now.
Length is distance.
Exactly.
Mylise,
But there's like,
So what's an extraneous solution? Like, how would you define it?
extraneous solution is something that appears through our calculations that does not comport with reality. It's not real. This is an extraneous solution.
Oh, so if you were doing like a problem on the homework about people, and you got 36.81, right? It would have to
Oh.
be 37.
So
Because
if
you
you're talking
can't-
about
Like,
if
you
you're
can't have like half a person.
36. You can't have 0.8. of
you
a
can
person.
have decimal people if you're talking about an average,
half a
No,
person.
like
no.
household size in the United States,
It was about how many people are going on the trip.
2.2 children.
You
The
can't.
point two is the short one.
How many?
No.
Huh? What?
The point two is the
Are
short
you
one.
being?
I think it's the infant actually.
What do you call it?
In that
Sizes?
situation, you would
Right.
round it down,
No, you round up. Like if you're
Okay.
2.2,
So-
right?
then you'd have 2 people.
So it sort of depends on the context, right? If you need 2.2 people to come along with you to pay for the Uber,
Then you bring 3.
then you better bring 3. But if your like your lunch capacity, your food capacity can feed like if you can have 13.5 people, then you better bring 13.
Yeah.
So you would have to it would have to be context specific. What is the side conversation?
I know you would.
He goes,
How dare you? All right, so we can see that a negative solution for side length would be a cause of an extraneous solution. You can also have you could have squaring. So for example, if you had square root of x equals -3, so, and we know that the principal or positive square root can't equal a negative number. So if we say like -3 squared equals 9,
Well,
right?
Yeah.
So if we square root 9, and we try to say it's -3, that could be an example of an extraneous solution. Another thing that could cause extraneous solutions to pop up is multiplying by a variable. Could happen. So if you had x squared over x minus 1 equals 1 over x minus 1, let's solve this. Finn, take notes.
Is obviously 1. Plus or
Put that
minus
away.
1.
Let's try to solve this. What do you think?
Well, x squared is obviously equivalent to 1, so it would be 1. Plus or minus 1.
Let's solve it, Baron.
So 2 times each side by like the opposite, so you'd be like multiply each side by x minus 1 over x squared.
No.
Or
X
just
plus
x minus
1.
1.
No, x.
Oh, x plus 1.
No.
You just
Because
need
don't
times
you
it
have
by
to
x
do-
minus
oh,
1
yeah.
over 1.
Yeah, so you cancel it.
No, just x minus 1 over 1.
Yeah, it's just x minus, just multiply by x minus 1.
That gives us what?
X squared equals
X
1.
squared
And to solve
X equals plus or minus 1.
x equals plus or minus 1. Are these both good solutions?
No, because the positive 1 will make zeros on the denominator if you plug it in.
So out of my two solutions, so we have to check our answers. So if I plug x equals 1 into the original equation,
That's wild.
what happens?
They would be equivalent, but there'd be denominators on the zeros.
Is the square root of 1 just 1?
Yes.
Is the square root of 1 1?
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
It's
Plus or minus.
But in this case, it can't be positive 1, because otherwise I'd make the original equation
Right, Matt?
divide by 0, so it has to be negative 1.
But it would still be equivalent, but it just be
Is this equivalent? As this
It's 0 equals 0, not x equals 1.
Yeah,
Well, it
but
would be 1
yeah.
over 0 equals 1 over 0.
Which is a 0.
What's that?
It would be 1 over 0 equals 1 over 0.
plus or minus 1 over 0 equals
I see,
1 over
yeah,
0.
but they're undefined. Right. So x equals 1 is an extraneous solution, and we found that by checking. So let me give you one more.
No.
So the answer would be x equals -1?
So the only answer is x equals -1.
Oh yeah, abs valve.
So if we have absolute value of 2x plus 12 equals 4x,
Oh. Wouldn't you have to do
What?
negative 2x plus 12?
So that means
that's
it's
what-
an absolute
Oh.
value.
it means it's the absolute value. How do I solve this?
So first at absolute value, it's you go like the absolute value of 2x plus 12 versus 2x plus 12, no?
2x.
You can divide both sides by 2.
And then you
No, I'm not ready to do any algebraic manipulation.
No, because
I'm not ready to do any algebraic manipulation.
Don't you, so you absolute value it, no?
Absolute value, what do you mean?
So like,
it's already
it's already on it, so that means you find the absolute value, which is 2x plus 12, but it can only ever be positive x, no?
How do we represent that?
No.
You can do
Cormac.
2 times positive.
You have a question?
So I thought when something is in the fancy absolute value thing, it can't be a negative, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm solving, all right, let's look at this one. Finn.
I want to clarify, the absolute value does not mean that whatever's inside has to be positive. It means that whatever's inside becomes positive because of the brackets. What's inside can be negative, but it will be viewed as the positive version of the number.
Okay, how do I deal with setting it equal to a number or an expression?
That. But like, so what you gotta do is you gotta like, so you're gonna change it into 2 times x, but put an absolute value on x plus 12 equals 4x.
No, let's look at this. So if let's look at a simpler example. So if I say absolute value equals 4, what are my possible answers?
Negative x
Four
equals
negative
4 and x equals 4.
4
X equals
negative
4 or negative 4.
4, negative 4. And the way I solve this is I set x equal to 4 and x equal to negative 4. I'm setting this. I'm breaking this out of the absolute value, and giving both values on the right side. So if I say, and this maybe I'll have to give you a harder example to show what I'm trying to say, but
So the answer would be x equals plus or minus 4.
on this,
Yeah.
right?
Right, so then it would be 2x plus 12 equals 4x, and 2x plus 12 equals negative 4x.
That's it. So we got 2x plus 12 equals 4x,
Smart.
and 2x plus 12 equals negative 4x, and then
So.
So I will. Oh.
Is it allows us to move the absolute bracket around everything?
what is it that allows us to?
Yeah, like, can you just, cause that's got me a little tripped up. Like, if you didn't have the absolute value bracket around the whole problem, it would just be x equals 6. No?
But
Sorry,
what?
nothing.
What are you sorry about?
I don't know. Just a little confused.
So let's take a look. Let's take a look at Desmos and see what the graph of this looks like. I'm gonna do my simpler version first. So do I have a bar? Oh, here it is. Absolute value of x equals 4.
It's 4 negative 4.
So anytime x is 4 or negative 4, that's the value I get. So here's my. Let me do the other problem I was doing. So 2x plus 12
Equals 4x.
equals 4x.
So it's just 6,
Only
'cause
6.
2 it cannot be one of them, because it's
So
like
one of
the-
them's extraneous.
2 is extraneous.
So is it? So let's check it. Let's check algebraically.
Oh yes, it is extraneous. It doesn't work with the problem because it doesn't work if you plug it in. Then you get 8 equals negative 8. So it cannot be negative 2.
All right, let's check x equals 6. Patrick, what do I get?
That one, 24. Oh, 2 times 6 equals 12, so that's just absolute value of 12 plus 12 equals 24, which works out perfectly.
But then, however, if we do
Equals negative 8.
the negative 2,
It would be 8 equals negative 8. That's
Wow.
not it. Like,
Oh.
So negative 2 doesn't work.
It's like getting interrupted.
That's wild.
It's like getting interrupted.
oops.
You're the king of intro.
yeah, just do.
Oh, that's 4 times negative 2.
It's negative 8. I'm pretty sure.
Whoa there.
You play like the city ones.
Oh.
It's like the city ones.
Where'd the 12 go? Mr. Shaw.
Oh, negative 4 plus 12.
You want, yeah.
Negative 4 plus 12 should be 8.
Negative 8.
Should be 8.
And 8.
Eight,
8 equals negative 8.
which isn't true.
So what is this called when we have a statement like this?
Extraneous.
This-
Not real.
This is a contradiction.
Contradiction, gotcha. You would have gone there.
Which means x equals minus 2 is an extraneous solution.
Yeah, so
All of that to say, when you're solving for like polynomials or square root or rational expressions or absolute value expressions,
Plug in your answer.
you have to check your answers. So this check right here can result in something not showing up as a valid solution, even though our steps were reasonable and rational to get there. So on the 1.6 homework, there are problems that you follow all the steps that seem reasonable, and you have 2 answers or 3 answers or whatever it is. And if you haven't checked it, then you could try to put in the answer, and it'll tell you it's wrong because it is wrong.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is it that some homeworks, it lets you like re-roll the questions and randomize it, but some don't?
I don't like doing randomization because then I can learn what I did wrong on the one
Yeah.
that I got wrong.
Does
and
the
then-
1.6 doesn't randomize?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, that's
weird.
really bad.
I really no. I really
Wait, what is the 1.6 homework do?
Next class.
Okay. Seriously.
Are we gonna finish 1.6 today?
Maybe. We just did absolute value. I think you're fine for that.
If we do finish it today, can we have a review day before the quiz? Like no, the test. Wait, when's the test?
The test is
Friday.
Friday, the quiz is Thursday.
Yeah, but we have to move that back,
Yeah.
right?
Can we just remove the test to next week?
Yeah, the test is Monday, right?
That might.
What, Cormac?
Well,
What?
as long as it's like,
What was that look?
if you move the test like Monday and Tuesday, it
This
should be
homework
okay.
or classwork.
What, El?
If you move the test to Monday or Tuesday.
If you didn't put that on my desk,
Oh, okay.
If,
You need a
like,
bookmark?
technical
Yes.
stuff.
I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read it ahead.
What?
I'm gonna spoil it.
What?
Ooh, good idea, good idea.
What?
No.
Let me turn to the last chapter.
Guess
Oh
what?
my gosh!
They all
Can you
died.
believe it?
It was all a dream. Applications.
Application.
Wait, so yeah, when is the test getting moved back to?
So once we finish 1.6, which should be today, next class we'll have a quiz on 1.6 and work on the review probably in class, and then the next class will probably be the test.
So it's still on
For the
Friday?
quiz, will it be on WebAssign or like a?
Quiz? Maybe.
That's not a
What
very
do you
good
mean
answer.
maybe?
No, I like the website.
Yeah,
You like the
No,
web
no,
assigned
no,
ones, or you like the printouts?
Printout.
Website.
Printout is multiple choice.
I like the
Oh yeah, print out with multiple choice.
Might be.
No, it's not.
Might be.
Multiple choice is the goat.
I'm
Yeah,
not.
we-
I'm not promising multiple choice for quizzes.
What?
I like the printout.
Well, we did our homework.
Yeah, we did.
That's tests.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
I'm so confused.
Wait, so we have quiz next class, which is Thursday.
Do we have a test Friday?
But can we please do review before the test?
You can review before the test.
No, in class. For
Well, it could be
questions.
You're
okay
allowed
to
to.
turn it
No,
over.
because
Quiz
last-
correction
So
on the
probably
test.
we will not take the entire class time to do the quiz. So we'll probably have time to work on the review in class. The review is unlimited tries. So you do the review on WebAssign, and then you'll be ready for the test.
What about like quiz corrections? Like, could we have a day to like turn those in or like?
Quiz corrections.
Or like retake the quiz?
Yeah, I think
Or,
we're
like-
all have foresight and fear that we will have.
Cause I don't wanna like do
quiz
bad on the
corrections.
quiz and then have to jump and do a test.
Yeah, me too.
Like
Yeah.
only one night to like,
Yeah, and then I failed the test too, so then I have two to retake.
Yeah.
more stuff to retake.
Yeah.
That's what happened for me.
So could we like separate it by weekends, like do the quiz on Friday and then do the test on Tuesday?
Yes, I
Yeah,
agree.
that would be.
Because I really need
You
to-
agree with it?
I do.
This
Yeah.
is this decision by committee?
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
yes.
so if
I
we
will
all had
sacrifice.
quiz,
I
could
will
we
sacrifice.
test?
Like, could we do like a quiz and then later that class also do reviews, like quiz. and
A
review
ski
and all
club
this?
charters a bus for a ski trip at a cost of $480, period. To lower the bus fare per skier, comma, the club invites non-members to go on the trip, period.
Oh, I remember this.
After 5 non-members join the trip, comma, the fare per skier decreases by $4.80. Period.
I don't remember
How many club members are going on the trip? Question mark.
You got that from WebAssign.
No, I hate word problems so much. I always like think that I set them up right. I do them correctly and then they're wrong
Just-
because I didn't set them up right.
Can I have like 5 minutes to log in this shit?
Somebody's calling you from your iPhone.
Someone's calling you.
Colorado Springs. Send you're good. You need to answer to people.
Oh, really?
Be sociable.
We don't have any numbers other than that cost that much and that decreases.
No, you can solve it, trust me.
yeah,
Uh,
just,
No?
Yeah, you can.
there's always a way.
Wait, but you need the amount of people.
No.
What was time
Wait,
to
I'm
lie to us?
confused. It doesn't say anything about like it requires a certain amount of members to go on the trip.
Well, yeah, so you're trying to figure out the number of the trip.
Yeah, so it's total cost over original numbers of people minus the discount times X plus
480 times X.
So what's my model?
Oh,
Cost per skier.
Oh, I misunderstood. Oh.
Times what?
I see it.
So
What
do
does that
non-members
So we
pay?
have
Cost per
some
skier.
Fine. So we have some amount of club members.
What do I multiply times my cost per skier? I'm trying to find the total cost of the trip.
Fair.
Times the number of skiers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait,
Now solve it.
No, you're trying to see how many club members are going on the trip. Yeah.
Don't we need the total cost of it?
We have that.
Oh,
Minus
yes.
4.8 also equals 480.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I got it. No, I don't.
Okay.
So my first step is to create a verbal model
Yeah, I got
and
it.
then make the verbal model, and then I'm going to assign labels.
480 over X.
Oh, I see. Where
you at?
I have so much beef with word problems.
you don't know the cost per skier. We don't know the numbers.
$480.
What's the cost? What's the cost of the trip?
The cost is
For
480.
everybody?
It's
Okay,
480.
Do non-members pay the same $4?
What's my my unit?
No, it's not
$4.
Yours?
480 isn't the fee.
It's the fare per skier.
The fare per skier decreases by 480.
I see.
Is number of skiers X plus 5?
Yeah.
What? Okay. Oh wait, number of ski club members is X and number of ski
Right.
members.
What's my unit for number of ski club members.
Can I borrow a calculator?
X.
My unit,
I can borrow a calculator.
square
It
centimeters?
doesn't look like there's any calculators. Can I use my phone as a calculator?
No, you can bring a calculator. What's the unit?
Oh, thank you.
X.
Kilograms?
Oh,
X is not a unit.
People.
People. What's the unit for the number of skiers?
What? X plus 5. Oh, people.
Oh, number of.
Original
Oh gosh.
cost. Oh, original cost per member. Is that like Y or something?
No.
Oh, shit.
Isn't it?
Wait, what? It's whatever decreased to 4.
No. Original.
Yeah.
Adding the 5 non-club members causes the decrease.
Is it X plus 5 divided by 480?
Plus 5? No, original. With just this, with the club members.
That's,
X
it's
divided by
480
40?
divided by 8.
Huh?
X divided by 40? 80? 480? And then
44.
480 divided by X.
There you go. Why 480 divided by X?
Because if each person has to pay the same amount, then you just divide the total cost by the number of people to get how much each person has to pay.
Right. So this literally, Ella, you said it backwards. This literally sets up cost per person. So it has to be 480 over X. What's my unit for original cost per members?
Dollars.
Dollars
member.
per person.
Dollars per person.
Oh my god. Why? Oh god, there's more.
What's my cost per skier?
4.8.
Cormac, what's my cost per skier?
What? Something?
Real.
You can think of this as final cost.
The whole problem is a little confusing.
So we have $480 for our ski club members.
Yeah.
But we would like to be able to say that we have lowered the bus fare per skier. And
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
we're going to invite non-members
Uh-huh.
to come, and we had 5 people join.
Okay.
So after five non-members join the trip, the fare
Okay,
per
I think
skier
something's awfully wrong.
decreased by what?
I think I've gone something horrible.
What'd you say, Cormac?
Those spend, are like the non-members paying extra or something?
No, we're just looking at the cost cost per skier.
Is the answer 44?
Oh, would it be?
Way to spoil the answer, man.
No, I don't think it is.
It's not.
There's
Okay.
no 44.
I don't want to jump ahead to the answer. I want to figure out how to get there.
Well, it's like, I have no clue. Oh, shoot, wait. I get that it's. So the number of skiers, like it just doesn't, like, the cost per skier is something.
What's the cost? What's the original cost per skier?
No clue.
It's on the board.
The original cost, doesn't say.
What's an expression for the original cost
Oh.
per member?
Oh, X minus 4.8.
Huh?
Cause the fare per skier
No.
is decreasing
The
by
original
6.
cost per member.
There are 2 people.
It literally says the original cost per member.
It does?
Oh, it's
Where?
480 over X, I see.
So this is in the dollars per person realm.
Uh-huh.
So dollars per person. Do you agree that final cost per skier is also in the dollars per person realm?
Yes.
So this unit is also going to be dollars per person. Whoops. And so it's in this realm where the discount happened. So we said the fare per skier, right?
Yeah.
Fare per skier is dollars per person, decreased by $4.80.
So is it 480 over X plus 5? Or
So my original cost per person was 480 over X,
yeah.
and then we saw a decrease by $4.80.
Yeah, so it'd be 480 over X minus 480, or $4.80.
Is it
Oh, sure.
So I have original amount. Amount of decrease, and this is all in the dollars per person realm.
Yeah.
And so, final cost per person. What was my original cost, Jason? What was my original cost per
The
person?
original cost per person is 480 divided by X.
480 divided by X. What was my amount of my decrease?
$4.80.
4.8.
So the
So-
final cost per person should be 480 divided by X minus 4.8.
And what's my unit?
Unit,
But I thought it would just be full.
Doesn't the fare decrease by 480 per skier?
Yeah, DC.
Fare per skier. Fare per skier. What unit is that?
Money per person.
Yeah.
Dollars per person.
So it's
That 480 is a dollars per person unit. So what's my unit for my final cost per skier?
Dollars per person.
It is. It is. It has to be in the same realm. We have to divide. We have to subtract something of the same units. So up here we have 480 over X divided by $4.80.
Oh, divided by $4.80.
No, minus.
Oh, never mind then.
Wait, yeah, so then, yeah. And then you have that in parentheses, right?
Wait, so is it minus or divided?
Minus.
480 divided by X minus 4.80.
Yeah, and then you put that in parentheses, right, and multiply it by X plus 5 equals 480?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, and
So this is.
I don't know how to solve that.
You don't?
No, I forgot.
Could you use your algebra skills, perhaps?
No, I don't have any algebra skills.
I disagree with that.
That's why I quit. And
Did you
now
have it equal to itself and then you like
So I was setting up my basic equation here with my verbal model, and now I'm filling in the things that I need to put in there. So that cost per skier is this. What's my
Okay,
number?
I think I have the answer.
What's my number of skiers?
nobody.
No.
Mr. Shadle.
Wait, X plus 5, sorry.
Mr. Shadle. Yes or no?
Maybe.
Don't take a yes.
My interview.
What's so? Can you track with what I'm doing? Cost per skier. I'm going to fill in here with this. Anna, what's next? Staring off into space is not helping you track with the problem.
Wait, would it be
Anna,
480
I'm asking
over X,
Anna.
or would it be
I'm asking Anna. Finn, sit down. Stop doing that.
Aw.
Anna, what am I doing?
You're solving it?
Sorry?
You're solving it?
Like, what's my step methodology? What's my overall like broad strokes method here?
I've never taught word problems very well.
So I'm creating a verbal model. I'm saying that my eventual cost per skier times my eventual number of skiers is going to give me my cost of trip. I already know the cost of the trip. We're locked in. That's our budget. So
Do you just plug in the
now,
variables?
now I have the what's that?
You just plug in the variables?
Now I'm plugging
Do
in
you
the
plug
variables.
back into
I might have
the
highlighted the wrong thing.
Yeah, that's
So you
what I
put
was,
the cost
that's
per
what I was trying to
skier
say.
and
Okay.
then
Huh?
you put the cost per skier and the number of skiers equal inside.
Equals the cost,
Wait,
the overall cost, which I already know.
The final
And then
cost per
it's
skier times the final number
Yeah.
of skiers
Right.
equal. Okay,
Right.
I think I can.
That
solve
was
this
that the
now.
confusion?
To be honest, probably.
Mr. Shadle, did I get correct?
We'll see.
Good answer to that.
Come on,
If he doesn't answer it once, he's not gonna answer it again.
that's fair.
Number of
What do I need? Where's my next thing? What's my number of skiers, Anna?
X plus 5.
Right. And Matt, close your laptop.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Close your laptop. Don't open it in class. What's the last thing I need to fill in, Matt?
The cost of trip,
Which is?
480.
Yes.
See, I was paying attention.
Alright, so now we have an equation. Oh.
So let's do that.
I don't know how to solve that equation.
I mean, you can kinda.
So literally so my next step is to write my equation. What's my equation?
480
Wait.
over.
Baron,
480 over x minus 4.8 times.
stop.
Wait, then.
Cormac, continue.
X plus 5.
X plus 5. Anna, what's the last thing?
Equals.
Mm-hmm.
The 480.
Equals 480.
Yeah, I don't know how
Yeah.
to solve
You don't know how to solve that.
that. No.
I think you do. What's something I can do here?
Get the x off the denominator.
I want to get this x off of this denominator.
Multiply by x.
No.
Nope, never mind.
That's what I did.
These are separated. These are separated. I would like to combine them.
Foil.
These two?
Foil. Oh,
Not foil.
no. Make 480 of 1. And then. So put 480 over 1 and then. Oh, and then multiply the denominator.
Correct.
How do I combine these two? What do I need to combine them?
Common denominator.
Common denominator. What's my common denominator going to be?
X.
X. So what do I need 480 to look like?
4.8x. 480 over x minus 4.8x.
Right. I'm going to drop the 0 because I don't really need it. And I'm going to multiply top and bottom by x. Right?
Well, wouldn't you have to multiply the rest of that side too, or not?
No. No.
Yeah, because you're not
No.
looking at both sides of the equation.
Matt, there's a couple of things that we do on a routine basis.
Mm-hmm.
Can you look up here?
Yeah.
So in a different circumstance, maybe I'm multiplying both sides by x.
Mm-hmm.
And why can I do that?
Because it's math.
That's not a good reason. That doesn't help you understand why your strategy is legit or when you can apply it. Why can I do that?
Distributed. No. I don't know.
You don't need to come up with a math term. Is it legit for me to multiply both sides of the equation
Yeah.
by the same thing?
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Mm-mm.
It's not?
It is.
Mm-hmm. It is legit.
It is legit.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Why can I do that? I'm really hoping that you don't. I'm really hoping that you don't take the deluge of weird tricks that we do just on faith or just because I say so. I hope that at some point they make sense to you.
I mean, it does make sense to me, because you're distributing the x, and if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side.
Oh, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other to maintain the equality.
Yeah.
So the equal sign is still true if whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. That's one strategy. This strategy of combining these into a with a common denominator. These don't have, Matt. These don't have a common denominator right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I want the
Oh,
common
yeah.
denominator to be
X.
x. So to get x in the denominator, what do I have to do to 480?
Multiply.
Or
it
4.8.
by X.
Multiply
The top and bottom.
top and bottom by x. Why can I do that?
Because you said we could.
Yeah, that's not what I want. That's not what I want.
Oh, I get it though.
You don't. Do you get it though? I want you to be able to articulate why. Why is it legit for me if I wish? Because I'm hoping for an x in the denominator. Why is it legit for me to multiply this by x over x?
Oh, wait. I was close.
Why, Matt? Why can I multiply this by x over x?
Because you're doing it to both sides of the equation.
No, I'm not doing it to both
Wow.
sides of the equation. I am not going to multiply 480 times x over x. And even if I did, I would have to do it to this entire side of the equation, which I'm not doing. I'm not multiplying this entire side of the equation by x over x. I'm doing it to this one little term. I'm picking on this one poor term that does not have an x in the denominator, and I'm doing something to cause it to have an x in the denominator. Why is that a legitimate step, Cormac?
Because it's just multiplying it by 1.
I'm multiplying it by 1. I can take any term, any variable, any constant, anything I want, and multiply it by 1, and it's not going to change value.
Okay,
That's not
so,
one, that's X.
so then you have 40.
It is 1.
So then you have
It is 1.
minus 4.8.
X over x is equivalent to 1.
Oh.
That's why I can multiply it by x over x, because I'm not changing its value. I'm multiplying it by something that's equivalent to 1. I want you to incorporate these these rationales, these reasonings, justifications, whatever you want to call them. Because otherwise, you're just memorizing a bunch of rules that you don't necessarily know are valid or true. What do I do after I multiply top and bottom by x over x, Matt? What do I get?
Oh my god. 480 minus 4.80x.
480 minus 4.80 at 4.8x all over x, and then help me out, Baron.
And then you times that by x plus 5.
Right?
And that equals 480.
Yep.
And then you FOIL.
Wait, can you just cancel the x?
Cancel the x. Cancel this x with this x.
No. 4.8x and x.
No, because
4.8x.
Yeah, actually, you could cancel
No,
the
you
x's.
can't because of the 480. Because there's still 480.
So maybe multiply
We
by X
can't
and also-
cancel what?
Factors.
Terms. This is a term. For it to be a factor, it would have to be like, pretend this started off as x squared. Then I could factor out an x.
Well, double that.
And then I could cancel. I can cancel factors. I can't cancel terms.
Okay. Multiply everything by X?
Yeah,
Grand.
right.
So,
It gives me what?
negative 4.8x plus 480.
Hmm?
I just
480
looked, so
minus.
the x was in front, but whatever. Times x squared.
What?
Just
Oh,
x
2x.
No, it's just x plus 5. It's still x plus 5.
What?
Because that whole thing is one term, so you only have to multiply one thing by x. Because they all multiply together.
My my step here, you're correct. My step here is to multiply both sides by x. But these are three terms multiplied together now. Right?
Yeah.
So where do the x's cancel?
The bottom?
Yeah, just the bottom. Just
okay.
here.
So it's x is 5.
It's x plus 5.
Oh, I get it, because once the two terms cancel,
Oh,
it's
that
not,
makes sense.
they're out of the equation.
So I'm going to write this in another way that I hope makes it clear. Do you, like, before we multiply both sides by x, you tell me if this looks equivalent. Yes or no?
No. Not really. Because what if you had like 1 over 2 times. Wait.
If this seems weird to you, you have some thinking to do.
Oh, I don't like thinking.
If this seems weird, this is not weird. This is perfectly legit, and it'll make it easier when we multiply both sides by x to see that it just cancels.
Oh, okay, no, I think I thunk.
This is like 3/2 times 8.
Yeah.
So could you multiply 3 times 8 over 2 and you get the same thing?
21 over 2. Yeah, I can say that. Yeah, gotcha.
Right. This has a phantom over 1.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, phantom over 1. That's not good.
What?
I did not see
Wait.
it.
I don't see what.
Then
3 over 8? What?
4.
So if I have 3 over 2 times 8, is that equivalent to 3 times 8 over 2 or 24 over 2
Yeah.
or 12?
Wait, I was
Or if I do it this way, I can cancel this.
Oh my god.
And then what I was saying was this, you could think of this as having a phantom over 1, right?
Yeah.
And so the numerators multiply together and the denominators multiply together.
Yeah.
Now when we multiply both sides by 8, what happens?
Why 8?
X.
Then you cancel the x on one side and then it's
Cancel
4x.
X.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so now we have 480 minus 4.8.
And also if we're being careful, we also say once we cancel X in the denominator, we say what?
The x cannot be 0.
Right. Or if I rewrite it. Now I'm ready to do what?
Simplify and solve.
Do a funny.
Math.
Yeah, let's math it. What do I do?
Okay,
Yeah. What do I get, Anna?
480x
480x
plus, I don't know, 480 times
You can do it on the calculator.
It's 2400.
2400
Yeah.
minus
4.8x squared.
Oh, I get it.
Minus,
You then you
what is that?
When you're multiplying by 5, you can think of it as dividing by 2
And then times it by 10.
and timesing by 10.
How about you?
Okay.
How about that?
So, wait, which one are we doing?
So, would you agree that multiplying by 5 is equivalent to first dividing by 2 and then multiplying by 10.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I can easily divide this by 2 in my head,
You can divide
2.4,
by
and then when I multiply it by 10,
Would be 24.
Or you could just multiply it by 10 and divide it by 2.
You can subtract
Look at
40x from both sides.
Oh my god, what the?
You can also divide both, and then you can divide both sides by 4.8.
What? Oh, is it a quadratic now?
so I'm going to rewrite.
I don't want to do the freaking quadratic equation right now.
You rewrite in standard form. Oh, good heavens.
You can
That does
divide
not
both.
look like a fun quadratic
You
formula.
can divide both
Oh,
sides
great
by
heavens.
4.8.
I'm gonna multiply both sides by 1 over
Oh,
Oh my god.
4.8.
Mean.
What?
I think we're having complaints over
No,
this.
because then you can cancel out the 4.
I want to be able to cancel out the negative 4.8 that this leaves me with. Help me out with the calculator.
Oh no. X squared. That's about as far as I will get.
X squared minus, plus 5x minus,
minus 500. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that is.
And I can actually factor this.
No.
So,
Oh wait,
that
then
makes sense.
105. Yeah.
Ah.
And then I understand it now. And then wait.
The zero product problem.
Oh my god, yeah. And then wait, so 500.
Are there factors of 500 that add up to 5?
I'm really hoping.
10 and
20
5.
and 25. 20 and 25.
20 and 25, which one
Minus
needs to
20
be
plus 25.
plus 25 so I can get a positive number here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, and so
Oh my gosh, then the answers are.
the zero product
X equals
Zero product property.
5.
Oh, well then x equals negative 25, but you can't have negative people, so that doesn't work. So that's an extreme solution.
Extraneous.
Extraneous, and then it's x equals 20, so you have 20 people. Oh
Extraneous.
I still don't understand the extraneous.
Extraneous.
It's just that it can't physically, it answers the
so happy.
question, but it can't physically be possible. You can't have minus 25.
It's like
No,
if
wait,
you were doing
really?
multi-product,
Okay,
you're
okay,
negative
Mr.
velocity,
Chambly.
no.
I got it.
No, I got it first.
Okay, so I got
It's
x
20.
equals 20.
Okay, I accidentally,
20
I
plus
actually
so
have this inverted, so I had it as posit, as
Finn, you're
minus
wrong.
25 plus 20.
Ooh, so Finn's wrong.
Mr.
Okay,
Shadowell
I
would
mean,
also have
maybe
to add
there's-
that x
Hey,
cannot
Mr.
equal 0.
Shadle, we have to think seriously. Maybe it's not extraneous, maybe there's 25 dead people. So,
Yo. Skiing is dangerous.
So Patrick,
Actually, yeah, I guess it would couldn't happen.
so I'm-
because of the fact that it's
so based on my formula that I arrived on, my calculation, I'm only coming up with 20 or negative 25.
Yeah,
you wouldn't
so
actually
like
have
the-
to state that.
The numbers work out again on the graph. If you somehow had negative 25 people, which we're not taking negative 25 people on our ski trip, so we're gonna scratch that out as an extraneous solution, and we're gonna take 20 people. The fact that along the way, I dare not let x equal 0, that's okay. I wasn't gonna try to take a trip with 0 people anyway. I'm gonna take 20 people.
Oh, Lula.
I took like 5 wrong turns on the way there, but I got it.
So I think I still don't get most of that, but it's okay.
You know what? It's
I
fine.
tried to do on my own, but I took like 12 wrong turns.
Me too, bro.
Oh, no.
So wait, why would you do that? Why would you?
Oh.
But okay, so technically, Mr. Shadle, I have a question for you.
Yes,
When you're ready.
Mr. Shadle.
So when you get to negative 4.8x squared minus 24x plus 2400, couldn't you just do the quadratic equation and then you do it?
You can.
I mean, it's an ugly quadratic equation,
It is.
but not really, because then it's just 24 plus or minus 24 squared and then so on.
Okay, yeah, checks out. Checks
So
So
it-
what's 480 over 20?
24.
What? 28. I'm just kidding.
Do it 24.
I know it's 24, bro.
Okay. Phew.
Yo, you didn't cover the other one that we need to cover. You should cover.
25 minus.
It all checks out. Don't worry, guys.
I don't
Trust me,
know.
guys. Trust
Ooh,
me,
my
guys.
vision's
Trust
not
me.
like
Trust me, guys.
Why are you multiplying it by 25?
X plus
What?
5.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
Yeah.
Bro.
Okay, 24, that would be 19.2.
8. What?
Yeah,
24 times
19.2.
4.8 is 115.2.
19 point.
Times 25 is 2,880.
Um,
What? Oh, 24 minus 4.8.
19.2.
Yo, compound interest. It's like money.
Oh my gosh, no, I hate this one.
Money. Money.
Guys, the equation is A equals, hold on. A equals P parenthesis L
Parenthesis.
parenthesis L.
When you were born,
1.
comma, your grandparents deposited $5,000 in a long-term investment in which interest was compounded quarterly, period. On your 25th birthday, the value of the investment is $25,062.59, period. What is the annual interest rate for this investment?
Guys, we know how to do this.
Question mark.
Heavens.
Oh, great heavens.
Wow.
I wish you could just give us like a
Is
formula.
this the
that
last
goes
part of
along
1.6?
What the sigma?
No.
Finn!
What?
You're
Stop.
wrong.
We don't say that here.
Or do I?
No.
Or do I?
No.
I remember last year we went over.
Mr. Schiff.
Oh, you already know this. Okay, well, you solve it.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know this.
What's
Come
your-
on, Ella.
What's your formula?
Oh, I know this. I know this.
Oh, I know the formula.
What is it?
A equals.
What does A mean?
A is the account balance.
A is account
Right. Then A equals
balance equals P times.
P times parenthesis.
Thank
1
you, sir.
Plus R over N parenthesis and to the N T and antithesis.
Antithesis.
Matt, how do you know
Maybe
this?
stress you, Mr. Sheen.
Because
No.
of my mom.
What's the
No, I did the
what's the account balance?
25,062.59.
25,062.59.
And then the
What
principal,
is my principal?
5,000. Wait.
5,000.
What?
This is a
Principal, like of a school.
Yeah,
The original balance.
right.
I think it means like of a school. You know, school principal.
It's the for in money. It's PAL.
25,000.
What's T?
0.57? Or 5.9.
What's T?
Oh, T equals time in years.
Time
Oh,
Wait, but
in
we don't know that.
years.
25 years.
Oh, yeah. Ha! You're such a skibbity.
Matt, please don't.
Dying.
So what is N?
N is the number of times compounded per year. So quarterly, so it'd be 4.
You really did this last year?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I did it last night.
Oh, okay. Compoundings per year. I'm not going to write it again. I just wrote it. I'm going to write N equals what? N equals what?
Oh, N equals 4.
Why?
Because it's quarterly.
Quarterly means 4 times per year.
Yep.
It's 4. So the R is what?
What?
R in this equation is what?
R equals, hold on.
We don't
Wait,
know.
25.
We're trying to figure out the R.
No,
What does it stand for?
R equals
Grades.
25.
Right.
It's the annual interest rate. Somebody said wait?
Is the N equal 4 or 1?
N equals 4 times per year.
Okay.
I wrote 4. Something happened. I don't know what.
Okay.
What's my equation?
Okay.
5,000.
25,000.
No.
25,000.
0.59.
A is 25,062.59
Equals.
equals
5,000.
5,000
Times parentheses. 1 plus r over 4,
R is what we're looking for. Over 4 times
to the power of 100.
times 4 is
4
my
times
n
25.
times 25. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5,000.
You are?
And this is about 5.0125. What can I do to get rid of that
The 100
100 power?
inside.
So I'm gonna take the 100th root of 1.025. If this is a fourth root, a fourth over here, I would take the fourth root, right? Right?
Yes.
Huh? How do I undo
The next
cube
part.
root?
Cube root. Oh,
How do I undo cube?
You multiply it by 1/3. Or you
You
divide
find
it by
the
1/3.
third root. 100th root of 5.0125.
You don't do that.
No. You take the cube root. So this is if you put this in your calculator, this is about 1.01625.
Wait, how do you, oh yeah, that's what
To
I
put in your
said.
calculator. How do I put this in my calculator?
Under the math button, right? Isn't there?
I don't have to do that. I use my caret. That's an exponent. And then I just say 1 divided by 100. I can use this for square roots or whatever, whichever roots I want. Plus equals 1 plus r over 4.
Holy mother.
You're doing my brother.
And
Yeah.
Put this away.
Or- What?
And that's calculator supporting your math skills.
Is this all of 1.6 or is there?
That's all of 1.6.
Wait,
1.6.